All right, so we are going to work on comparing numbers based on our now new understanding of absolute value. Okay, so earlier we've talked about greater than. That's going to mean bigger. Okay, we can talk about less than. Smaller. We can talk about equal to. Right, that's the same. Earlier we talked about opposite of. And remember, opposite of means same distance from 0, but opposite direction. Okay, and then we also have absolute value of now. And our absolute value of just means that, right? That we understand what absolute value is, so it is the absolute value of whatever. I don't know that needs more explanation, but we'll see how that kind of plays in here. Okay, I'm going to erase this side. And then we're going to look at some of these numbers and how we could compare them using these different sentence structures, right? So let's think greater than first. Well, 8's a big number, so let's use 8 is greater than, well, 8's greater than 0. Okay, so this would say 8 is greater than 0. Easy enough. Okay, so we can say less than. Well, I'm going to pick a number that is a negative number because I think that negative numbers are really easy to see less than. So let's do -4 is less than, well, -4 is less than 1. Right, -4 is less than 1. Okay, now we want to think about equal to. Okay, so and I'm going to say I can kind of mess with this if I need to, but I see that there is an absolute value of -8 and there's also an 8. Whoops. Okay, so I can use that and I can say the absolute value of -8 is equal to 8. And this kind of answers two of these at the same time. I could write this as the absolute value of, whoops, -8 is equal to 8. All right, but I can also rewrite this whole thing. And I can say 8 is the absolute value of -8. Okay, and we've used opposite, right? So I could also use this and say 8 is the opposite of -8, or -8 is the opposite of 8. Okay, this is just another way to explain what it all means.